4 big money ideas the pros said would never work. First up, we have real estate investing. Real estate investing is a perfect example of a big money idea that was initially disregarded by many professionals. Some financial experts claimed that real estate was too risky and unprofitable. This criticism, however, did not discourage people like Donald Trump, who made a fortune through real estate investments. Because of the perceived high cost of entry, many people are afraid to invest in real estate. There are, however, countless ways to invest in real estate, ranging from purchasing property directly to investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Despite the initial criticism, real estate has proven to be an extremely profitable investment for many people. Barbara Corcoran, the founder of the Corcoran Group, for example, began with a $1,000 loan and went on to develop a multi-million-dollar real estate empire. Meanwhile, Grant Cardone, an entrepreneur and real estate investor, has built up an empire through his various real estate projects. So, what made some experts assume that real estate investing will never be successful? One of the primary concerns was the high amount of risk connected with property investment. There is always the possibility that the value of a property may fall or that the market will crash. Furthermore, investing in real estate demands a significant amount of time, effort, and money, which can be intimidating for some people. Despite these difficulties, real estate investing remains a realistic and potentially profitable alternative for those prepared to put in the effort. You may make a successful real estate investment and build your wealth by doing your research, investing properly, and understanding the market. Moving on to the next big money idea that the experts predicted would never succeed: online businesses. It's difficult to believe now, but there was a time when many felt launching an online business was a passing fad. Several experts said it was too risky and would not be profitable in the long run. Yet, as e-commerce and social media have grown in popularity, online businesses have become increasingly successful. Currently, there are numerous examples of extremely successful online firms, such as Amazon, Facebook, and Google. These companies have totally transformed the way we do business and proven that online business can be as successful. Also, it has never been easier to start an online business. Anyone can start an online business with minimal investment because of the variety of online resources available, such as website builders and online marketing tools. This has created a whole new universe of opportunity for entrepreneurs, and many people have launched successful online businesses from the ground up. So, don't allow the doubters to stop you from launching an online business. That could be the secret to your financial success if you have the appropriate idea and execute it correctly. Cryptocurrency, the magical internet money that some experts claimed would never work. Indeed, when cryptocurrency first appeared, there were many doubters who called it fraud. Yet now, people are becoming millionaires and even billionaires by investing in cryptocurrencies. So, who's laughing now? Those who invested early and held on to their coins. Many were initially suspicious of cryptocurrencies since it was a new and untested concept. It's understandable that people would be afraid to invest in something they don't completely understand. Furthermore, the absence of regulation and the potential for illegal activity made many people suspicious. However, as more people began to invest in cryptocurrencies, and as the technology underlying it advanced, it became evident that it was not a passing trend. Many well-known people, including Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, have publicly backed and invested in cryptocurrencies. And it's not just the wealthy who have benefited from Bitcoin investments. There are countless tales of ordinary people who invested early and experienced huge profits. Of course, just like any other investment, there are stories of people who have lost money. Nonetheless, the success tales of Bitcoin investing cannot be ignored in general. So, while cryptocurrency may have appeared to be a dangerous and unexpected investment at first, it has showed considerable growth and potential for the future. It is absolutely worth considering as part of your financial portfolio. Living a frugal lifestyle. Some people feel that living on a budget implies lowering your quality of life. However, this is not always the case. You can obtain financial independence and freedom by practicing frugality and smart money management. Now, I know what you're thinking, but frugal life sounds so boring and uninteresting. Believe me, I understand. We all want to enjoy life's finer things, such as pricey meals and flashy electronics. But those small luxuries can quickly build up and leave us in a constant condition of debt. That is why living frugally is a wise decision. You may save more money and invest it in your future goals by cutting back on unnecessary costs and living below your means. There's also something rewarding about coming up with new ways to save money and make every penny count. But why do some people believe that living frugally is impossible? To begin with, there's a common misperception that frugality means being cheap and denying yourself of everything good in life. Furthermore, some people assume that earning more money is the only way to achieve financial success, rather than saving and managing what you already have. Nonetheless, there are several success stories of people who embraced frugality and gained financial freedom. Consider Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest people who still maintains a relatively modest lifestyle and is recognized for his frugal practices. Not to mention the FIRE, or Financial Independence Retire Early movement, which allows people to retire in their 30s and 40s by living frugally and investing effectively. Hence, if you want to gain financial independence and freedom, a frugal lifestyle may be the answer. Additionally, who knows, you might find it more entertaining than you anticipated. After all, saving money is a really pleasant experience. Now, if you want to dive deeper into the world of financial independence and learn from the best, I highly recommend clicking on the video you see on your screen. It's Billionaire Secrets, Warren Buffett's Guide to Early Financial Independence, and it's packed with valuable insights and advice from one of the most successful investors of all time. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and achieve your own financial success.